Welcome back to Auto Review, your trusted source for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mazda CX-50, a compact SUV that blends rugged capability with Mazda's signature design and driving dynamics. If you're looking for a vehicle that delivers style, comfort, performance, and value, the CX-50 might just be the perfect fit. Right from the first glance, the 2025 Mazda CX-50 commands attention with its bold and athletic exterior. Mazda has given this SUV a muscular stance, wider track, and a slightly more aggressive profile than its sibling, the CX-5. The front fascia features a prominent grille with a black mesh insert, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it a sharp, modern look. The sculpted hood and flared fenders add to its off-road ready attitude, while the matte black cladding around the wheel arches and lower body emphasizes its adventure-focused character. The 2025 model adds new color options, including zircon sand and melting copper, which highlight its bold lines beautifully. It sits on stylish 17 or 20-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim, and its roof rails and available panoramic moonroof enhance both practicality and appeal. Stepping inside the CX-50, you're greeted by a cabin that perfectly balances ruggedness with refinement. Mazda continues to prioritize premium materials, and it shows. Soft touch surfaces, genuine leather in higher trims, and well-placed stitching create a near-luxury ambiance. The dashboard is clean and driver-centric, with a horizontal layout that gives the interior a sense of width and openness. The center console is wide and sturdy, contributing to the SUV's solid feel. A standard 8.8-inch or available 10.25-inch infotainment screen sits atop the dash, controlled via a rotary dial on the center console. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with wireless connectivity on upper trims. Comfort is a strong suit here. The seats are supportive and well bolstered, offering ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, and a heated steering wheel are available, making the CX-50 a great choice for year-round driving. Cargo space is also generous, with about 31.4 cubic feet behind the second row and over 56 cubic feet when the seats are folded down. It's enough to handle weekend gear, groceries, or a full road trip loadout. When it comes to performance, Mazda delivers its signature, zoom experience, even in an SUV. The 2025 CX-50 offers two engine choices. The base engine is a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder producing 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. For those craving more power, the turbocharged version of the same engine pumps out up to 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque when using premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and come with standard all-wheel drive, which sets the CX-50 apart from many competitors that charge extra for AWD. On the road, the CX-50 feels composed and responsive. The steering is precise, the ride quality is firm yet comfortable, and the handling is confident through corners. Mazda also tuned the suspension for light off-roading, giving the CX-50 a bit more versatility. Drive modes like normal, sport, and off-road help adapt the vehicle to different conditions. While it's not a hardcore trail rig, it can easily handle dirt paths, gravel, and snow-covered roads. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Mazda CX-50 starts around $31,000 for the base trim and climbs to about $44,000 for the top-of-the-line Turbo Premium Plus. Considering the standard all-wheel drive, premium interior materials, and strong safety features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keep assist, the CX-50 offers solid value across the board. To wrap it up, the 2025 Mazda CX-50 strikes a fine balance between everyday comfort and weekend adventure. With a stylish design, refined interior, enjoyable driving dynamics, and a well-rounded feature set, it's one of the most compelling compact SUVs on the market today. That's it for today's review on Auto Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.